This is the girl that's supposed to be here taking care of my mother-in-law. And instead of taking care of her, she's out sleeping, snoring logs.
What happened up there?